Welcome along. Let's listen to Simon Dryden show us how to put a route into Navionics.
In this one, we're going to look at setting up a route using waypoints that we've put in. If we have a look and we put our cross here, you see when we hover over it, it tells us what our marks are. So we can see that Draper's Reef and we know that's the start. So we can put our start mark there. So we'll go to route and we're going to do a manual route, and we're going to put our start on top of Draper's Reef. Then we're going to come out here, and then we're going to come to here, move that one down there, and we want to finish here. So we've basically set up our route, and if we now go and review our route, you can see our start wasn't correct, so that needs to go there. And then we need to move our mark here, and then we need to move this one, and we'll go over here and grab number 3 and put it back where it should be. So we'll go in a bit closer so we can see where we are, and we'll put that in that mark there. And so you can see where I can go a bit closer to this mark number 2 here if we need. So if we look at our route, and we can see here we've now got some serious trouble with our route here. So we need to grab both of these lines and move the first one and move it a bit further out so you can bring your original one into the mark. So you can have a look here. We'll go close in at this point. We want to see, because you see if you look on Cape Schanck there, there's some rocks and things there, so we want to give that a bit of clearance. And then on the way back we're going to come pretty close to that as well, so we can probably sneak in a little bit more. And there we've set up our route. And if we go and look along here, we've got no problems with rocks or anything, and we can see that we're not quite at the fairway buoy, which is here, and we've got that route done. And we have a look at our route. And I can recommend that all you apprentice navigators go into the most magnified screen you can and just check that your route is all good. Go to our route and go to the details, and in the details screen here we'll come up to where it says Route 24, and we will make this coastal sprint race number 1. And so we can see up here the race length up the top here is 55 miles.
A couple of additional things you can see in the intermediate marks. You've got bearing and distance to each of the intermediate marks. They're all in true, remember? Anyway, thanks to Simon and thanks for watching.